what's up? How are you doing? Hope you are cool, sir. We just deal with my sister. Person just dey. Do you know the guy I told you about? That guy that we dated for so many years. The guy broke my heart, like he broke my heart. Ah, God, me, oh me, being paid. Somebody just come and play. When I just hey, I don't born person well. Go for. See, me I tell you one thing. One guy stole my phone yesterday. Like he stole my iPhone. Wallahi, if I catch him, guy, you're wicked. So they stole your and you didn't tell me before. I cannot just see him because if I see him, I don't know. Say the boy go heaven. Tell him I want to go and buy something. That shop over there. Let's go together. Oh yeah, me we go now. My sister, that's the life. They just they can just play with girl at just like hey. That's that guys. My sister, you go leave here. It is really crazy when I found out myself. Hear me? Now the guy be this. Now this guy. See, this is the guy I told you about that she said on me. That nonsense, the stupid body. He did everything my iPhone be yeah. You don't die today. Just know I don't die today. Now you be this. I can't. It's cooling. You don't die.
No, it's see, being paid. You can't understand.
My fault, anybody, money, my fault.